Hi, Freddie over at Platinum Auto World here, and today we're going to be taking a look at this 2006 Jeep Liberty 3.7 liter 4x4 with 139,000 miles. This is a nice Jeep. It's clean inside and out. We got all matching tires. It currently has Goodyear Wrangler STs. All four tires are matching, and also the spare tire is matching. I'm gonna go ahead and walk around the vehicle so you guys can see what it actually looks like. The body is in good shape. I'm gonna go ahead and crank it up. It does come with the sunroof. Comes with all the normal power options: power windows, power locks, cruise control. And there's a four-wheel drive shifter right there. You got cruise control. You got let's see, heat, AC, overdrive. You can turn off your traction control here. There's no lights on the dash. There's a nice sunroof. We're gonna go ahead and walk around it so y'all can see what it looks like. It's running and driving perfectly fine. There's no mechanical issues. All the tires have good tread in them. Your passenger seat, passenger door. Here's your passenger seat. The dash. The windshield seems to be all in good shape. I haven't noticed any kind of cracks or rock chips, which is good. Here is the back seat. Also, I want to tell you about this back seat a little bit. You actually are able to fold it down like this and expand your trunk space. That's actually, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna open up the back so y'all can see that what the actual trunk space is. There you go. And you got some room there. Actually, it's very spacious back here with the seat up. But once you fold the bench seat, you get a ton more room, which is great. You can use those little hooks out of nut to hook stuff, hang little baggies. You also have a nice power outlet out here if you want to plug in a battery or a charger. You got these hooks down here if you want to strap a basket on top of your stuff. You don't want it to roll over. Everything's working. I'm gonna go ahead and shut this. Here we go. Your headliner's in good shape. All right. Let's pop your trunk. Let's see here. How do we do this? Right there. The hood is in good shape. The paint it's actually very nice. Here we go. There's your 3.7 liter engine. Actually, it's a V6, so it's not so little, but it's a Jeep, which is great. I love me a Jeep. All right, the Jeep is available now at driveplatinum.com. If you're on Facebook, Instagram, give us a like and start following us. We also have a YouTube channel, which is where this video is getting uploaded to. Give us a call at 540-898-8300 with any questions you may have. My name is Freddie once again. We're located in Fredericksburg, Virginia, right here in the 4 Mile Fork area. 540-898-8300. Thank you.